Welcome back to the Language of Tea YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Craving a perfect cup of matcha tea? Here's how to make it in just a few steps. Don't miss the key tip at the end of the video. Start by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder into a bowl and pour hot water, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Give an energetic whisking. To avoid clumps, it's key to use the traditional bamboo whisk. Chasing. Designed specifically for matcha, with thin, delicate tines that help create a frothy, smooth consistency. Whisk briskly in an O and M shape. Once ready, pour into your favorite cup. If you prefer latte, foam some hot milk and pour on top of the matcha. Key tip: select a top matcha, makes all the difference. Search for our video, How to Select the Best Matcha. Simple, delicious, and oh so good. Cheers to your matcha moment.